Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope you are good. Today we are going to learn how to comprehend the story. So, topic for today is reading comprehension. Okay, how can you comprehend the story? You need to understand the text, and then the second, you need to look at the clues on the question to make good answer. First, to understand the text, you need to do scanning, previewing, and then predicting. Scanning now. What is scanning? Scanning means you need to read the story quickly and find some specific information, like it's the keyword for you to answer the questions. The keywords you need to mention is name, telephone number maybe, date, number, or etc. The things that is important. How to do scanning? First, you need to look at or find out the keywords. What is keywords? Keywords, it's kata kunci. So you need to find the keywords on the story, and then after that, move quickly to the next paragraph. In the next paragraph, you also need to look at the keywords. You need to find the keywords in that paragraph. And then, in scanning, you did less reading but more searching or more finding out the keywords. When you get information about the story, it means you are previewing. This previewing is when you preview, you look for information. Then you can make guesses about what is in the letter or what is in the story. When you make guesses like this, it means you are predicting. Previewing and predicting helps you read and understand better. This is because you are already think about what will you read. It means like you get all the information that is important for you to answer the question of the story. Now it's time to worksheets. You need to read all the story first and then you can answer the question. In the question of the stories, there usually have WH question. That is what it used to talk about or ask about things. For example, what are you doing? Or what do you think about the movie? Next is when. When is to ask about the time. Example, when will the meeting start? So you can answer now, tomorrow, or next hour, or when are you leaving? Next is where. Where is used to ask about places. For example, where's my bag? Where do you live? And then next is who. Who is used to ask about people. Who do you love the most in your family? Or who told you that story? Next is which. Which is used to ask about choices. Which one do you choose? Left or right? And then, of all the drinks in the menu, which one would you like? So it's an option for you. Next is why. Why is used to ask about reason or causes. For example, why did it happen? I didn't understand. Next, why is he crying? And then the last is how. How is used to ask about manner or process. How can you explain this problem? Please tell us. Or how can you get there? If you are done reading the story or the text in this worksheet 5 part A, you need to look at the clue. For this number 1, what is the passage mostly about? The clue here is the passage. Passage means text. So what is the text about? You can infer if you are done reading it all. Number 2, if you were going to add in your own ingredients, which paragraph would you need to add more information to? The clue in these questions is ingredients. Ingredients means composition. And the question is which. So you need to choose in which paragraph that you want to put the ingredients. Find it in the text. Is it in the first paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph, or what paragraph you want to infer? Next, number 3 is what is the main topic of the second paragraph? Second paragraph means the paragraph number 2. The clue here is the main topic. Main topic is topik utama. So what is the second paragraph talk about? Number 4. How do you know it's time to stop shaking the bags? The clue here is shaking. Shaking is. So find the words of shaking in the paragraph. And then the question is how. It means the process of you knowing what time to stop shaking the bags. Find the word shaking in the paragraph. Number 5. What does the word combine mean in the third paragraph? Third paragraph mean is the paragraph number 3. The clue is combine, so find the word combine in the paragraph number 3. Combine means this. So what is combine mean in the paragraph number 3 and how do you know about it? Next, worksheet 5 part B. Question number 1. Which class is Amanda creating a web page for? The clue here is class and then a web page. So which class is Amanda creating a web page? Is it in a science class, art class, or whatever class in the text? Find it in the text. Number 2 is what is the web page about? The clue is web page. So what is the web page about? Number 3. Who is Amanda's partner? The question here is who, so you need to find a name or a person, which the clue is Amanda's partner. Number 4. How do Amanda and her partner do research? The question is how, which is asking about the process of Amanda and her partner do research. The clue here is do research. How do they do research? Number 5. What are the main differences between the two types of news? The clue here is differences between the two types of news. Differences means, so you need to find the difference between the types of news in the text. Number 6. What other place can somebody find out about the news? The clue here is what other place. It's just the same like this. And another clue is find out. So where can somebody find out about the news? Where can somebody read or see the news? Or where can somebody know about a news? Next is worksheet 6. Question number 1. Why were the blind men on the roadside? The question here is why, so it needs a reason to answer. The clue here is on the roadside, so what is the reason that the blind man on the roadside? This could be your opinion. Number 2. What does the elephant's ear feel like to one of the men? The clue here is the elephant's ear feel like. Find the words the elephant's ear feel like in the text. Then you can find the answer. Now number 3. How do the blind men treat one another? The clue here is treat one another. It means the question is how. It's about manner. How do they treat one another? Are they being cruel? Are they being kind each other? Are they blaming each other? Or what do you think? Number 4. What does this passage try to teach us? The clue here is try to teach us. So what is this text teach us? What can we learn from this text? Or what message that we can take from the text? It can be your opinion. So that's all for reading comprehension. I hope you can answer all the questions in the story or in the text. And then last I say, don't forget to wash your hand properly. Stay clean, stay home, and stay healthy everyone. See you!